In the constantly advancing digital realm, technology consistently pushes limits and reimagines potential. Brace yourselves because we've assembled a list of 10 free AI tools. TLDR Summarize YouTube videos in seconds. No more wasting hours watching lengthy videos. Just paste the YouTube video URL into TLDR and instantly receive a concise summary of the video's main points. Save time and gain instant insights without the commitment. GPT-1.com Humanize AI-generated content. Sometimes AI-generated content lacks a human touch. With GPT-1.com, you can add a genuine and authentic vibe to AI-generated text by infusing it with synonyms. This tool also ensures your content remains adaptive and captivating by fooling AI detectors. Microsoft.com. Design like a pro with AI-generated text. Harness the power of AI and design at Microsoft.com. Use text prompts to effortlessly create inspiring visuals for social media platforms. From captivating Instagram posts to stunning images, this AI-driven gem will help you make your mark in the digital world. Perplexity.ai. Your AI chatbot with web access. Need a chatbot that can access the internet? Look no further than Perplexity.ai. This conversational genius not only offers responses, but also taps into the vast realm of the internet for information. It's the perfect tool for swift queries and research. Backgroung.lol. Generate AI-enhanced images. Prepare to be amazed by Backgroung.lol. This tool transforms your text input into mesmerizing visuals, perfect for wallpapers and attention-grabbing social media posts. Enhance your digital persona with captivating thumbnails and show-stopping visuals. Cutout.pro. Enhance images and videos with ease. Become an editing maestro with Cutout.pro. This AI-powered tool allows you to erase backgrounds, remove unwanted elements, and elevate the impact of your visuals. Perfect for content creators looking to make their visuals stand out. Video2recipe.com. Transform cooking videos into recipes. Fed up with searching through long cooking videos for a specific recipe? Video2recipe.com is the solution. It converts cooking videos into easy-to-follow recipes, saving you time and simplifying your cooking experience. Bard.google.com. Google's answer to ChatGPT. Bard.google.com is Google's take on AI-powered text generation. Similar to ChatGPT, this tool is equipped with the latest data and internet access, providing precise and real-time information. Experience accuracy and up-to-date data like never before. PromptVibes.com. Discover and test ChatGPT prompts. Navigating ChatGPT prompts can be challenging, but PromptVibes.com is here to help. Explore various categories to discover tailored prompts for your needs. Whether you're a marketer, coder, or storyteller, this tool streamlines the content creation process. Oxolo.com. Create videos for e-commerce with a click. Boost your e-commerce marketing with Oxolo.com. This tool converts your product URLs into polished, professionally crafted videos, taking your marketing game to the next level. Create visual content that captivates your audience effortlessly. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.